Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today let's discuss how to get likes back on X. So if by saying that you want to get likes back on X, you mean that you want to have your likes tab public, then with the current version of X, this is no longer possible, unfortunately, to make your likes tab public to everyone. Previously, there was an option to show the post that you have ever liked to other people on your profile, but this feature has been removed. But you can still see everything that you have liked, every single post, but again, this information is private and cannot be shared with others. So to access your likes tab, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left and access your profile. And as you can see, your profile is divided into several sections and you need to reach likes tab. And boom, this is the page where you will see every single post that you have ever liked. And vice versa, I cannot go to someone else's profile and see their likes tab because it's now all private. So that's it, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.